Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Today we will explore drainage and sanitation drawings and understand their importance in ensuring clean, efficient, and sustainable hotel operations. Purpose of drainage drawings. Let's begin with the purpose of drainage drawings. These layouts define how wastewater flows throughout a hotel property. They separate graywater and blackwater streams for proper treatment. They show where inspection and maintenance points must be located. They ensure the system meets sanitation codes and regulations. They guide proper disposal and prevent environmental hazards. They support engineers during construction and renovation. They help staff trace the source of blockages. They provide a roadmap for sustainability practices. They make it possible to plan treatment or recycling solutions. They ensure both guest comfort and operational safety are maintained. Graywater system layouts. Let's now focus on graywater system layouts. These drawings capture water from showers, baths, and sinks. They show pipelines directing graywater toward reuse systems. They highlight connections with irrigation for landscaping. They provide access points for regular inspection and cleaning. They demonstrate how water conservation is achieved. They reduce dependence on fresh water supplies. They minimize waste by redirecting usable water. They improve environmental efficiency across hotel operations. They provide long-term cost savings. They also support eco-certification for the property. Blackwater system layouts. Let's now examine blackwater system layouts. These drawings capture water from toilets and kitchens. They show pipeline connections to sewage treatment plants. They incorporate safety features to prevent leaks or backflow. They ensure waste is properly isolated from graywater systems. They protect guests and staff from contamination risks. They guarantee compliance with hygiene standards. They provide clear routes for inspection. They reduce the risk of environmental pollution. They highlight safeguards for system reliability. They ensure hotels maintain safe sanitation at all times. Symbols for drainage systems. Let's explore the importance of symbols for drainage systems. Standardized symbols make drawings easy to interpret. Symbols identify inspection chambers and manholes. They indicate traps, vents, and cleanouts. They show slope indicators for water flow. They highlight treatment and recharge points. They reduce confusion during installation. They provide consistency across all system layouts. They support technicians in maintaining accuracy. They ensure training and handover are simplified. They form the common language for drainage planning. Inspection chambers. Let's now consider inspection chambers. These drawings show access points for pipelines. They are positioned at junctions and intervals for full coverage. They provide dimensions for size and depth. They allow technicians to perform cleaning and repairs safely. They reduce system downtime during inspections. They prevent hidden faults from becoming major failures. They simplify fault detection. They ensure long-term safety for maintenance staff. They improve planning during construction. They keep hotel drainage systems reliable and efficient. Traps and vents. Let's examine traps and vents in drainage layouts. Traps prevent foul gases from entering guest areas. They create a water barrier that blocks odors. Vents allow air circulation for smooth flow. They prevent vacuum formation inside pipelines. Drawings clearly indicate U-traps and vent stacks. They ensure ventilation works across bathrooms and kitchens. They stop unpleasant sounds like gurgling. They reduce risks of slow drainage. They protect hygiene and comfort for guests. They maintain the hotel's overall sanitary environment. Sustainable drainage planning. Let's focus on sustainable drainage planning. Drawings show rainwater harvesting connections. They highlight recharge pits for restoring groundwater. They include graywater reuse for irrigation. They reduce pressure on municipal systems. They promote long-term eco-friendly hotel operations. They help hotels meet environmental certifications. They reduce operational water costs. They highlight innovation in resource management. They prepare hotels for future sustainability demands. They demonstrate the industry's commitment to responsible operations. Integration with hotel utilities. Let's now look at integration with hotel utilities. Drainage drawings must coordinate with plumbing lines. They avoid conflict with electrical or HVAC systems. They include underground and overhead services in planning. They ensure access remains available after construction. They prevent utility clashes that cause delays. They support smooth installation across trades. They create a holistic approach to hotel infrastructure. They simplify maintenance across multiple systems. They guarantee safety during operations. They improve efficiency of hotel engineering. Drainage slope and flow. Let's consider drainage slope and flow. Drawings ensure correct gradients in pipelines. They show flow direction clearly. They prevent blockages by maintaining steady movement. They reduce risks of stagnation. They improve efficiency by using gravity flow. They lower maintenance needs over time. They guarantee smooth disposal of wastewater. They support proper performance of treatment plants. They simplify troubleshooting during failures. They secure long-term reliability of the system. Stormwater and surface drainage. Let's now examine stormwater and surface drainage. Drawings show drain points in parking and garden areas. They connect collected water to recharge pits. They protect hotels during heavy rainfall. They reduce flooding and surface pooling. They improve safety for guests by avoiding slips. They support rainwater harvesting strategies. They maintain accessibility in outdoor spaces. They protect landscaping and structures from damage. They highlight capacity for peak water flows. They ensure hotels remain safe and dry. Kitchen drainage design. Let's focus on kitchen drainage design. Layouts show grease traps and pipelines. They prevent fats and oils from blocking drains. They provide clear access for cleaning points. They support safe disposal of food waste. They reduce contamination risks in drainage. They protect other systems from clogging. They ensure kitchens meet hygiene standards. They simplify maintenance for staff. They improve long-term efficiency in hotel kitchens. They guarantee operational safety in food areas. Bathroom drainage design. Let's now look at bathroom drainage design. Drawings show floor traps in showers and toilets. They ensure safe collection of water from guest bathrooms. They indicate vent stacks to remove odors. They prevent gases from re-entering rooms. They connect pipelines to greywater treatment systems. They prevent backflow into guest spaces. They support smooth drainage for guest comfort. They help avoid standing water that leads to slips. They maintain cleanliness and hygiene. They improve the overall guest experience. Sewage treatment plant links. Let's examine sewage treatment plant links. Drawings show connections from blackwater pipelines. They define inflow and outflow routes. They highlight treatment stages for purification. They indicate reuse or safe discharge points. They demonstrate compliance with sanitation standards. They improve water management efficiency. They ensure safe processing of hotel wastewater. They protect the environment from contamination. They provide a complete picture of waste handling. They confirm the hotel's commitment to sustainability. Environmental compliance. Let's discuss environmental compliance. Drainage layouts must follow regional regulations. They highlight eco-friendly practices. They support conservation of water. They reduce impact on municipal infrastructure. They demonstrate commitment to sustainable operations. They provide records for inspections. They secure legal approvals for operation. They enhance hotel reputation. They ensure safe and responsible waste management. They align hotels with global sustainability goals. Maintenance provisions. Let's now look at maintenance provisions. Drawings highlight manholes for easy access. They show cleaning routes for pipelines. They allocate points for scheduled servicing. They allow emergency access during breakdowns. They reduce repair downtime. They improve cost efficiency of operations. They simplify training for staff. They ensure safety during maintenance. They extend lifespan of hotel systems. They provide consistency for long-term care. Real-life example. Let's examine a real-life example. A guestroom floor drainage drawing shows separation of greywater and blackwater. It highlights inspection chambers for easy access. It shows connections to recharge pits for sustainability. It demonstrates how hotel drainage integrates with eco-practices. It reflects compliance with sanitation codes. It shows safe treatment and disposal methods. It improves operational efficiency. It enhances hygiene for guest comfort. It reduces risks of contamination. It proves the importance of accurate drainage planning. Let's conclude by recognizing that drainage and sanitation drawings are essential for maintaining hygiene, sustainability, and compliance in hotels. They protect guest health, guide maintenance, and ensure efficient system performance. Thank you for learning with us. Register on our LMS portal at hegsdc.com, complete the course and download your certificate. Explore many more skill-based courses on our LMS portal.